What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick video review showing off this Vivo Standing Desk. Now I have it here in this 60 by 24 inch configuration with a white table surface as well as white legs. This table is offered in a couple different sizes as well as a couple different color configurations. I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase your own as well as check out the different configurations. So again, white legs, they are made out of aluminum, which helps keep the table lightweight, and then the table surface is a particle board with laminate on top, and it is done in a matte finish. So just looking at the desk, the main feature here is the controller. We've got up, down, 3 presets, the button to set your preset, as well as a timer. So this will remind you to just change your seating position or to get up and take a stand every once in a while. So currently I have it set to 109 centimeters. And the max height for this table is about 120. Let's see. So it's driven by a single motor, and that is the axle there. So the max height is 123 centimeters, and that is just shortly under my shoulder length, and I'm about 5'9". So I would never use the table or the desk at this height. It's just way too high. My ideal standing position is number 2, which is 109 centimeters. Right there. The only 2 complaints I have about this desk is the table depth. So this one here is 24 inches from the back to the front. If I were to order it again, I would probably get something that's slightly longer, so maybe about 28 inches, and that just gives you more room to take notes or write on a notebook. And then the only other thing is the table surface is made out of the particle board and laminate. So I would have liked to see something like hardwood. That would definitely make the finish much nicer and more durable. But for $350, this table was an absolute steal. Most of these standing desks in this motorized option and dimensions are offered at $600 and above. And so for $350, I thought this table was, one, very affordable, but highly worth the price. It also does come with some cable management options. So it comes with this cable tray, which I have my power strip as well as all my wires being routed to. If you guys are also interested, I have this, it's supposed to be a computer stand, but I'm using it as a subwoofer stand, so it holds my subwoofer off the ground. I'll leave a link to that below. But that is a quick look at the Vivo Standing Desk, and I'll also show you it in its sitting position. And while that's going down, I have a 5 LED task lamp. 5 is the brand, paired with a Dell 34-inch ultra wide. So if you guys are interested in those, I will also leave a link down below. So again, very sturdy desk. This desk doesn't wobble much, which is very nice because a lot of these desks at this price point tend to wobble. And they're also hand crank, so it's very nice that 1, this is motorized, but 2, it's extremely stable. But overall, great value. I have no complaints. I've used it for a couple days now. I will leave a more detailed review in the description. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of this desk, and check out my channel for more tech videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.